tucked in the middle of city of waterfalls, Ranchi, the Shivansh Heights is one of the most prestigious residential projects. A landmark with an iconic architectural design stands out as a premium property with luxuriously lined interiors, having 70 exclusive apartments and 5 duplex apartments. The core team of developers thoughtfully added the dimension of electronic security to this prime place. The innovative apartment security solution was designed with the help of Hikvision's team, based on the wish list. The security solution turned out to be the perfect fit for residents, offering total security while assuring 100% peace of mind. Hikvision Pro's results were ready in 24 hours, offering real-time pricing and insanely convenient support. Let's hear from the builder and residents about the transformative impact of Hikvision's solutions on their daily lives.
Myself, Sanjay Kumar Parshurampuriya. Actually, I'm one of the director in my company named Sri Ganpati Homes Private Limited, which is Ranchi based. So recently we have completed one of our projects, Shivansh Heights, that has been totally integrated with Hikvision, video door phone, plus cameras, plus door access point, and all the amenities over there. This is one of the premium projects in Ranchi, where the landscaping also designed from Bangkok, and which is completed with the Hikvision security 3-layer system. My planning was such that we have a 3-layer security, which I have told you first. First, our security system is the main entrance, where the guard is having one master station. From where he'll call up this flat owner, and in that flat owner can see the person coming in. He can give the guidelines, okay, let him come in. Again, he comes to a lobby, then we have a access control door system, sliding door system, which is with a master station where he can call up the flat owner, and flat owner can communicate with that person directly with the video view, or he can give access to that person from his own flat itself. He just need to press a button and the door will open up, and that person will come into the lobby area. From that lobby area, he'll come to outside of the flat, where again he has video door phone or outdoor unit, where he'll press the button. The flat owner will again have a two-way communication and with the video feature. So once he's satisfied the same person has come, he'll come and open the main gate of his own flat. So he's got 3-tier security.
My name is Parshurampuriya. I am the second generation of this family business. Why I go for Hikvision? My way for going for Hikvision was I tried many other companies as well, but the satisfaction which Hikvision gave me regarding the services and their products, no other company can give all at one time. If we need to buy 100 products, we need to go for 100 companies. But if we go for Hikvision, we get 100 all in one. So this is the plus point of Hikvision. Whenever you get a problem, just make a call. The person will be right there in front of you, making you everything clear. नहीं तो कई लोगों के पास क्या है, सिंगल प्रोडक्ट है, वो उसी प्रोडक्ट को प्रमोट करते रहते हैं, केवल उसके पीछे लगे रहेंगे. एडवांस्ड कुछ है तो आने वाला है, आने वाला नहीं, यहाँ पे सर आ गया है, तो वो फ़र्क रहता है जो हम फील करते हैं. आई एम फुली सेटिस्फाइड विद हिकविजन. इट्स अ वेरी गुड कंपनी.
Why hear it just from the builder? Let's hear the story straight from the residents of Shivansh Heights.
Secured and safe we feel with this CCTV and this video door phone technology by Hikvision, because it is very easy to use and it is very user friendly. With the increase in crimes that have happened in different parts and they are still happening, I guess it is a big stop to future crimes to happen. Safeguardedness that I have experienced, I want that it should be experienced by others also, and I'm sure they will have a good review of this.
मैं शिवान साइट में रहती हूँ. मेरा 4th फ्लोर में 4E में मैं रहती हूँ. ये प्रेमाइसेस काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल है और काफ़ी एयरी है और प्लांटेशन बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ पे, और प्लस यहाँ पे सेफ्टी के लिए काफ़ी ध्यान दिया जा रहा है. हर गेट पे इसमें स्लाइडिंग्स लग रहे हैं, कैमरास लग रहे हैं, और कोई भी बाहर के लोग हमारे परमिशन के बिना अंदर नहीं आ सकते हैं, उसके बारे में ख़ास ध्यान रखा जा रहा है. उससे हमारे बच्चों को अगर हम छोड़ कर जाएँ कभी, तो हमें थोड़ा सेफ फील होता है. यहाँ पे प्ले जोन बना है, बच्चों के लिए प्ले एरिया, गार्डन, सब जगह कम्युनिटी और सब जगह CCTV कैमरा है, जिससे हम अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो हम लोग CCTV कैमरा में देख सकते हैं, या हर कैमरे में बाहर के कई पर्सन भी आए तो हम लोग नोटिस करते हैं कोई अननोन है तो हम लोग तुरंत इन्फॉर्म भी कर सकते हैं. और कोई बच्चे गिर गए खेल रहे हैं कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो उस पर हम लोग सब कुछ देख सकते हैं, थोड़ा सेफ फील होता है.
At Shivan's Heights, Hikvision has redefined modern security, making it simple, accessible, and reliable. Hikvision, simplifying security, safeguarding lives.